Hello students, welcome back to Simple English with Ivy Cat. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever said, I'm going to my work and then someone corrected you? Or maybe you've seen a headline that says, jobs lost in the market and wondered why they didn't just say work. Don't worry, you're not alone. Even advanced learners and sometimes native speakers get confused between job and work. Today, we are going to untangle this mix-up so you never second guess yourself again. If you would like to learn English with me, there's a link in the description that will give you 30% off your trial lesson. Let's get started. Let's start with job. A job is a specific role you do, usually for money. For example, my job is a software engineer. Or, she got a new job at the bank. A job is a position, a title, a task you are hired to do. Think of it as something you can apply for, get hired for, and be paid for. It's quantifiable. You can count jobs. You can say, I've had 3 jobs in my life. Now, let's shift to work. Work is broader. It's the activity, the effort, or the task you do. For example, I have a lot of work to finish tonight. Or, the house needs work. Unlike job, it doesn't necessarily mean money is involved. You might be doing housework, schoolwork, or even volunteer work. And here's the cool part. Work can be both a noun and a verb. You can say, this project requires a lot of work. And also, I'm working on my English. You can't use job as a verb. Now, let's clear up some common mistakes. One of the biggest is when learners say, I'm going to my work. That's not quite right. We say, I'm going to work. Why? Because work here refers to the general place or activity. If you say, I'm going to my job, that's not wrong, but it's less common. Native speakers almost always say, go to work. Alright, here's a quick test for you. I'll give you a sentence and you decide whether it should be job or work. Ready? Okay, number 1. I love my as a teacher. The answer is job because it's a specific role. Here's the second one. I have too much to finish before the deadline. The answer is work because it's about tasks and effort. Here's the third one. He lost his last month. That's job because it refers to employment. Here's the fourth one. This machine doesn't properly anymore. That's work because here it's a verb. Did you get them right? If so, you're already mastering this. So here's a big takeaway. Job, it's position, role, employment. Work, activity, effort, tasks, or the verb to work. To really master this, try practicing in real-world scenarios. In a job interview, you might say, I'm looking for a job in marketing. At home, you could say, I have work to do before I can relax. In casual chat, maybe, this phone doesn't work anymore. See how different the nuance is? Alright, now it's your turn. Write one sentence with job and one with work in the comments below. I'll check and let you know if you nailed it. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more natural English tips, and share it with a friend who's learning English too. See you in the next one.